Hey guys, unleash your inner six-pack. Here are top 10 A-flat exercises.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Get ready to fire up those abs and sculpt that core you've always dreamed of.
Today, we're diving into my personal favorite top 10 ab workouts.
Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.
Let's get started. Crunches, the classic core crusher. Alright, let's start with a classic crunches. We're going to do them my way, so listen up.
Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet firmly planted on the ground, about hip width apart. Now, interlace your fingers and gently cradle your head, keeping those elbows wide. This isn't about pulling on your neck, it's all about engaging your core. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lift your shoulders off the ground, squeezing your abs like you're trying to touch your ribcage to your hips. Hold for a second at the top, really feel that burn, and then slowly lower back down with control. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on that mind-muscle connection and really feel those abs working. We're going to do 15 reps. Let's go. Plank, your core's best friend. Time to challenge that core strength with planks. This isometric exercise is amazing for building endurance and stability. Start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of placing your hands directly beneath your shoulders, we're going to lower down onto our forearms. Make sure your elbows are aligned directly below your shoulders, and your forearms are parallel to each other. Now, the key here is to maintain a straight line from the crown of your head all the way to your heels. Imagine your body as a strong, sturdy plank of wood. Engage your core, squeeze those glutes, and don't let your hips sag or your back arch. We're going to hold this plank for 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout. Remember, if you feel any pain in your lower back, modify by dropping your knees to the ground. Keep that core engaged. Bicycle crunches, pedal your way to definition. Get ready to feel the burn with bicycle crunches. This exercise targets both your upper and lower abs for a killer core workout. Lie flat on your back, bring those knees up to a 90-degree angle, and lift your feet off the ground. Now, interlace your fingers and gently cradle your head, keeping those elbows wide. This is where the bicycle comes in with your core engaged. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while simultaneously extending your right leg straight out. Then, switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. It's like pedaling a bike, but with your abs. Remember to keep your movements controlled and focus on that mind-muscle connection. We're aiming for 20 reps on each side. Let's do this. Chapter 4, leg raises, lower A-flat burn. Time to target those lower abs with leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended straight up. Engage your core and press your lower back into the mat. Slowly lower your legs, stopping when your lower back lifts. Raise your legs back up. Quality over quantity. Chapter 5, Russian twists, sculpt and define. Get ready to twist and shout with Russian twists. This exercise is amazing for targeting your obliques, those muscles on the sides of your abs that give you that sculpted, defined look. Start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Now, lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core engaged. You should feel your abs working to maintain this position. Clasp your hands together in front of you and twist your torso from side to side, bringing your hands towards the floor beside you. Remember to keep your movements controlled and focus on that mind-muscle connection. Really feel those obliques working. We're aiming for 20 reps, 10 on each side. Let's twist. Chapter 6, mountain climbers, cardio and core fusion. Get ready to climb your way to a stronger core with mountain climbers. This exercise combines cardio and core work for a dynamic and effective challenge. Start in a high plank position, with your hands shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Now, engage your core and bring your right knee towards your chest, keeping your back flat and hips level. Return your right foot to the starting position and immediately repeat the movement with your left leg. Continue alternating legs in a running motion, keeping your core engaged and your movements controlled. We're aiming for 30 seconds of mountain climbers, maintaining a steady pace throughout. Remember to breathe deeply and push yourself. Chapter 7, flutter kicks, feel the burn, sculpt the core. Get ready to feel the burn with flutter kicks. This exercise targets your lower abs and builds core endurance.
Lie flat, legs up, arms by your sides.
Engage your core and press your lower back into the mat. Alternate kicking your legs in a small, rapid motion.
Aim for 30 seconds, keep a steady pace.
You got this. Chapter 8 V-Ups Advanced Flat Challenge. Get ready to take your ab game to the next level with V-Ups. This advanced exercise requires core strength and coordination, so listen up. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended overhead and your legs straight out in front of you.
This is your starting position.
Now, engage your core and simultaneously lift your legs and upper body off the ground, reaching your hands towards your toes. Your body should form a V shape at the top of the movement. Hold for a second, feeling that intense contraction in your abs, and then slowly lower back down to the starting position with control.
Remember, quality over quantity.
It's better to do fewer reps with proper form than to rush through them and risk injury.
We're aiming for 10 to 12 reps, focusing on that mind-muscle connection. You can do this.
Chapter 9 Side Plank Oblique Strength and Stability. Get ready to target those obliques and build some serious core stability with side planks. This exercise is a game changer for strengthening those side muscles and improving your balance. Start by lying on your side with your legs extended straight out and your feet stacked on top of each other. Now, prop yourself up onto your forearm, making sure your elbow is aligned directly beneath your shoulder. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze those glutes, and lift your hips off the ground, maintaining that straight line. Hold this position, breathing deeply and feeling those obliques working.
We're aiming for 30 seconds on each side.
Remember, if you feel any pain in your shoulder or wrist, modify by dropping your bottom knee to the ground for support.
Keep that core engaged.
Chapter 10 Reverse Crunches Target those lower abs. Let's finish strong with reverse crunches. This exercise is a great way to target those lower abs and round out our core workout. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, about hip width apart.
Place your arms by your sides, palms facing down, for support.
Now, engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, bringing your knees towards your chest. Hold for a second, feeling that contraction in your lower abs, and then slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position with control. Remember to keep your movements controlled and focus on that mind-muscle connection.
We're aiming for 15 reps, making sure to breathe throughout the exercise.
You're almost there. Outro, you crushed it. Give yourself a high five, you made it. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results, so make sure to incorporate these ab exercises into your regular workout routine. Let me know in the comments down below which exercise was your favorite and how you felt after completing this workout. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workouts, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.
Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.